Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Got a little bit of a project going on. I had to take the spoke rims off and put the stocks on and park the Lincoln a while back, a couple days ago actually, when I went to inspect my wheels. Had some broken lug nuts and bolts. I took these out. These are the broken ones. So I went on Amazon and I ordered all 10 of these lug nuts, bolts, studs, whatever you want to call them. While I was in there, I'm going to replace the parking brake shoes. I'm a big fan of 1A Auto, so I got their parking brake shoes. And I got the new hardware. For like the springs and the tensioner and the clips and all that. There's the part number, 87002. But you want to put these studs on. Don't be like those people and put washers. Go to O'Reilly's and get you this. It's a wheeled stud installer. It's easy. It's super, super easy. But yeah, let me see, these are loose still. These are loose. I've already done these three right here. But what you want to do is you want to center the lug stud as evenly as, center as flat as possible. And then you're going to put your lug nut on. And as you're tightening it, you want to make sure this is level and straight. Something like that. And just continue to tighten and adjust as needed as you go. And once it's level, then you just torque them all the way down. And you want to do it until it's flushed. See how it's all flushed in the back? You want to do it till it's flushed. Yeah. You want to pop the old ones out, just use a hammer. I've used a hammer and I just whacking at the end. Do a couple whacks and they just pop right out. But if you want to put the new wheel studs on, I'm going to show you guys. Super easy. You do have to take your parking brake assembly out. Just so you know, if you want to do this, you do have to remove that because it's going to be in the way and you're going to be fighting it the entire time. So just, if you're going to do these, I might as well just replace your parking brakes shoes, because they are going to be in the way. So, and you do have to take your ABS sensor out in the back. And you're going to see why in a minute, because when you go to put your new wheel stud on, what you want to angle this, you want to angle it with 2 fingers like this, okay? You want to angle it with 2 fingers, and you want to have the wheel, you want to have you see how the bolt holes are in a star pattern? You want to have the hub, centered like this, as pictured. And then when you go to put your lug stud on, you're going to go like this. You're going to have the head go down into the hole where the ABS sensor is like this. And then you see how it is? And then just boop, put it in. Super easy. Super easy. You do have to move that ABS sensor, like I said, because without it, you're not going to have that clearance to take this out. You get what I'm saying? So you need that extra little bit of clearance for the head of the lug stud to fall in. See how it's falling in the hole of the ABS sensor? And you just put it in. There's not many YouTube videos about this. I looked and I didn't see nothing in depth. But that's how you put it in. But yeah, I'm installing new lug studs. I'm putting in new parking brake shoes on both sides. Yeah. But that's going to do it, guys. I just want to bring you along. Show you the little project that I'm doing. 1A Auto is the go-to place for me for my parts on the Lincoln. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace.